Using some indicators to trade can sometimes be confusing. Mastering the numerous lines, colors, and numbers is an uphill task. Fortunately, one indicator simplifies forex trading for you. We present to you the Buy-Sell Magic Indicator. The Buy-Sell Magic Indicator for MetaTrader 4 is a combination 3 indicators and custom price action filter. It does not feature distracting bands, histograms or lines. It only comes with non-repaint arrows which tell you when to buy and sell. Besides the entry points, it also provides suitable exit points. This makes it suitable for both novice and experienced traders. Here is another crucial point. The buy-sell indicator is ideal for lower time frames, M1, M5, M15, M30, during the London and New York sessions when the market is more volatile. The best part is that you can use it to trade any currency pair. However, it is not advisable to use the indicator on holiday and during major economic news. How is the indicator used, you ask? How to trade using Buy-Sell Magic Indicator. Buy signal. The indicator shows a green arrow, signaling that it is time to enter a long position. A screen alert pops up to ensure to identify the signal in real time. The best part is that the indicator calculates stop loss for you. All you have to do is to fill in the order. Alternatively, you can place the stop loss just below the gray dotted line. Where should you exit the trade? Well, you set the take profit using the 3-to-1 reward ratio. In other words, you can set your own profit target, say 50 pips. Also, you can wait for the indicator to post a bearish signal and exit the buy trade. Sell signal. Open short position when the indicator displays a red arrow and a sell alert. The pop-up alert also displays a suitable sell stop. Also, you can use a tighter stop loss by setting it just above the dotted line. If you are not sure about setting your own take profit, simply exit when the indicator posts a buy signal. Buy-Sell Magic Indicator for MT4 is a great technical analysis tool for simple and straightforward trading. The chart above displays a euro to US dollar price movement. The red arrow at 1.2236 indicates a suitable point to enter sell position. You can place stop loss on the dotted red line which acts as resistance. The green arrow at 1.2165 indicates a suitable buy signal. The blue dotted line acts as support and suitable stop loss. A trader can use numerous indicators and tools when trading forex. Each tool has its features and methods. When combined with other indicators, these tools can help forex traders achieve the goals they have set. However, the difficult task here for traders is to understand and select the indicator or tool that can help them with their trading plan and benefit their trading style. Traders want a tool that requires minimal effort and provides as much support as it can. There are multiple reasons for which traders need an indicator. One such reason is to determine the buy-sell signals in the market. The MT4 buy-sell indicator is a tool that can help traders get answers to many questions with just one tool. This indicator is trendy amongst forex traders because it is easy to apply to the MT4 chart and does not require the trader to use multiple lines or data charts to derive any signals. Read this article to understand more about the buy-sell indicator and how forex traders can use this indicator. What is the buy-sell MT4 indicator? As the name suggests, the buy-sell indicator is an indicator that tells traders about when to take the buy and sell position on the forex price chart. This tool is a preference of many traders because it can provide solid indications of the trend and its reversals. In addition, it helps them simplify the hassle of choosing one or more indicators because this one tool alone is enough to provide them with a straight answer. When you apply this indicator to your MT4 terminal chart, you will not see any complicated lines, charts, or histograms on the terminal screen. Instead, it uses a filter of custom price action and a mixture of 3 different indicators. In addition, it indicates the exit entry points through red and green arrows. This convenient feature makes it suitable for both experts and beginners. How to use the buy-sell indicator while trading forex. This indicator can identify the buying and selling points in the currency pair chart. You can also trace down the exit entry points by using this indicator. Furthermore, this indicator is much more suitable when the market is highly volatile.